Okay, so our next query is going to be identifying the 5 authors that made the highest royalty, sorting by royalty, high to low. Let me close this query. And let's start a new one. Okay, so the data that we need are royalty, which if we remember correctly, that was in the books table. And obviously we're gonna need authors, right? Oops, clicking on the wrong one. Authors. But if you notice, those two are not connected. And if you remember from the join supplement video on creating joins, when we work with these two tables, we had to connect them because they don't have any keys in common. Now, the table that connects those two is called book author. And those are the tables that we are going to need. Just rearrange them. Okay, all right, so we got the setup done. Now we're gonna think about, so we're gonna need the author. So we're gonna need the first and last name, essentially. First name, last name. Now again, it's asking us to calculate the royalty. So we're gonna need to work with it's going to have to be expression field, but we're going to start with royalty. And before we actually do that, let's create a totals field. A totals field will basically give us the totals row that we will be able to group by. We will be able to specify the group by option. Now, since we're grouping by the author, because we need top 5 authors, we're gonna keep the group by in the author's first and last name. But what are we gonna do in the royalty? So it has to be calculated field. So highest royalty. Okay, so we're gonna basically we're gonna sum the we're gonna use sum, and we're gonna sum the several things. We're gonna sum obviously royalty. We're then gonna sum the year-to-date sales. And the price. Extend this a little bit. Finally, we're going to divide it by 100. Okay, and we got our expression. So change this to expression, and we're going to name it something else, like earned royalty. Finally, we need to sort it in the descending order because it's high to low. So we're going to start with big numbers and going to come down to smaller numbers. So descending. Okay.